Hey everyone, this is Tuhin and you are watching Tuhin in AIML. So this is my recent project on finance analyzer where we'll be looking into gold, forex and crypto real time trading and we'll also see how to build this on your own. So let's get started. So here financial enthusiasts are you constantly jumping over platforms to check prices of gold, forex and crypto, specifically in Indian rupees. So this is not just for financial enthusiasts, also developer or the students who are trying to do a project on finance. This video is for you. So today I'm giving you a complete demo of my all-in-one finance analyzer dashboard. It's a simple web app that pulls real-time data, visualizes it using professional candlestick charts, and applies a suite of popular technical indicators for instant analysis. So let's see one example. Right, this is gold analyzer. You can see all the gold prices, high, low, everything along with automated analysis. And this updates in real time based on whatever you auto refresh suggestions you give. You can give 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 1 seconds, or 5 seconds based on you. So no more guesswork. Let's dive in and see how this automated dashboard works. So let's first look into the control of the left sidebar that are available on every pages. Let's see gold, forex, crypto, and you can see you can dynamically change the chart history period from 5 days to 1 month to 6 months, even up to 1 year. And you can change the interval of the candlestick, adjusting from 1 minute uh, data for scalping to daily data for long term views. Also, crucially, there is an auto refresh slider. I have set it to 5 seconds. This ensures the dashboard is constantly pulling the latest market data, keeping your charts and metrics absolutely current and refreshed and fresh every second. So, below the chart, we have quick metrics showing the latest price and the indicator values, and an automated analysis section that gives you instant retained insights based on the current market condition. Now for the financial heart of the app, the technical indicators overlaid on our interactive candlestick chart. Moving areas, SMA. You can see the indicator. There are SMA 50 and SMA 200 lines. That are the trend on the following tools. The 50 period averages shows the midterm trend, while 200 period averages indicate the long-term trend. The automated analysis uses this. If 50 period line is above 200 period line, it reports a bullish trend. If it's below, then it's a bearish trend. Then the bowling bands. These are the upper and lower bands around the price action. They help you measure volatility. When the prices touches the lower bands, it suggests the asset is relatively overextended. Then is RSI. This indicates live in the subplot below the main chart. It measures momentum over last 14 days. The app automatically fetches two separate data streams, the gold price in USD and current USD to INR exchange rate. It multiplies the gold price by exchange rate for every single candlestick, giving you an accurate, continuously updated gold price in rupees. Now that we have covered the gold, let's go to Forex. The quick look for the Forex analyzer. This is a straightforward, giving you a direct price feeds for major currency like USD INR, Euro INR, Pound INR, Yen INR, and Australian Dollar INR. So, if I show you the current price for Euro, let's take Euro, and you can say it's 104.0730. Now, let me show you the exact price in Google. You can see same to same, real time. So this is how accurate it is. Now let's go to crypto. Finally, the crypto analyzer, the page uses CoinGecko API for data. The sidebar lets you select from top you can select on your choice, like 20, 50 or 5. History you can select on your own, and auto refresh also. Now if you select top 5, then top 5 coins that will be shown. Then if you go to, let's say, 20, it will fetch top 20 crypto that are currently running the best and will show you over here. You can all see, and this can go up to 50. Also history days can of 3 months. So you can see this is a Bitcoin, it's rising. Now below you can see these lines. What this lines means? So if the line, this is the maximum line and this is the lower line, right? So once you can see, once it hits the highest line, it usually drops, right? Again, so this is the upper barrier and this is the lower barrier. So let's see for one day, right? So you can see it is going up for a bit and coming down, and then going up. Right now it's going up and then coming down. So these are the functions, or these are the things I have implemented on this code. You can build this on your own. You don't need to rely on any fake website or fake apps that usually shows you uneven prices. So have a look at it, and if you want the code, kindly leave a comment. I'll share the code with you. And so there you have a powerful sell updating dashboard that brings your gold, forex and crypto analysis into one place, denominated correctly in INR. These tools allow you to monitor trends, measures momentum, assess volatility using professionally calculated indicators, all ready for your immediate trading decisions. If you enjoyed this demo, please let me know by hitting the like button. What other financial tools should I add this to this analyzer? Let me know in the comments below. If you want the code, kindly comment below. I hope that you like this video, and if you do, kindly let me know by tapping that like button below. And also, what financial tools should I add this to analyzer? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you, and see you in the next video with a new project. Thank you.